Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here in my HOBONICHI weeks for the week of June 9th through 15th. Wow. And I will be decorating with these minimal flowers from According to Allie. She just came out with her new release last Friday, and you can use code Karina10 for anything, for 10% off of her stickers. And she now has smaller stickers. My brain, sorry. She has the smaller size or the mini size of these stickers. So if you find these stickers too big, then you can buy her new mini size of all of her stickers. All right, so what I'm first going to do is wipe this area out, and I'll do this side. This, you can buy these from Amazon, but I purchased this from Paper Plus Cloth. I'm just going to do this side. Easy peasy. All right, so now that that is done, I'm going to draw out my grid. So this is my Pilot Vanishing Point. This has an extra fine nib that has been tuned and smoothed by Kirk Spear of Pen Realm, and now it's the most amazing extra fine nib, and it is inked with Pilot Iroshizuku Takesumi. Now I found that when I was using just my fine nib with Pilot Iroshizuku Takesumi, it was bleeding through this paper, but with the extra fine nib, it's actually working really, really well. Okay, so what I'm going to do is actually cut this sticker in half. Because I want this to go at the bottom of my spread. I was like, is it just me, or do I not know how to peel a sticker? So I want this to go here. Oh, I like that already. And then this one, I'm just not sure if it will fit. There's actually a little edge piece here that I need to cut off. And then see if it will fit this way. Oh my gosh, it will. Oh, that's going to look so cute. And right on the edge. Oh my gosh, that's perfect. And then I haven't decided how I'm going to use these stickers, whether I'm going to put them like that, and then one here, and then one here, kind of like what I did last week. I really liked the layout of that. But then I'm also wondering how many stickers I'm going to be left with when I do like my little journaling at the back, meaning I might just have to cut these down in half to put in the back. Okay, that's an idea. So for here, I'm thinking, which do I want to use in the back of my spread? I might keep these two for the back and then use these three in the front here. And I normally like my journal spreads to match. There's just something about that maybe this one down here or up here. I don't know. Just put it down. But for me, it's nice to have my planner spread match with my journaling spreads. It makes for a nice symmetry, consistency that I enjoy. Okay, so let's put the pink one down here. And then this one here. Perfect. Oh, that worked out really well. So now I'm going to write in or draw out right in my habit trackers. So the first one I'm going to write in is my sleep tracker. This is my newest pen, the Asfine V126. And this has Colorverse Brain. So I'm just drawing out my sleep score graph. And I'm finding that as I get older, my sleep quality is of greater importance to me, but also trying to keep track of that is very important to me as well. Off topic, I just started listening to a new audiobook today. It's, oh my gosh, what is it called? It's the new menopause book. Yes, I am at that age. I think it's My Menopause and Me. I'm trying to figure out what it is. Hold on. It's called The New Menopause. And I just started the audiobook today. And amazing how women's medical history and health history for like thousands of years, it's just phenomenal to hear how women were portrayed in terms of their health and what they were going through. But anyway, and then workouts. And Lucy's outside barking. But it was actually a health practitioner who was it a doctor that I had spoken to at work who recommended this book. So I'm really looking forward to it. And then I will put down here the habits. And the habits that I'm working on are taking my vitamins every day. I'm actually reading. I also started a new book the other night and my audiobook. And then my nighttime routine. And then the no stationary spend. And I think I'm doing pretty well with most of these. I like keeping my tracker on my weekly spread rather than in the yearly spread because I can see this every day. I'm better at keeping track of my habits that way. And then down here will be tasks. So habits, and then workouts, and then my sleep. Perfect. I really like that ink. It's funny, there's not a lot of green in this. There's maybe just green there, but having that green as the ink, really lovely. All right, so let's wait for that to dry. So now we can go ahead and write in my work shifts or my work schedule, not work shifts, but my work schedule. So Monday. Now Tuesday is a different schedule because I do have an appointment in the morning. And I'm really grateful that my work is really flexible with that. And Wednesday, Thursday, and then a half day on Friday. And then Henry has swimming. But then he won't be able to go to badminton on Sunday. Okay, and other things that I'm going to put in here. So realizing that ink, while beautiful, is taking a while to dry. So I believe it's 8:30 and then here 7 o'clock reservations. And I'm trying to remember where I made those reservations for. My husband and I are going away for our anniversary this weekend. And not too far. We're just off to Calgary. And just having a little getaway. Okay. And then Monday, my to-do list will include meal planning and ordering groceries. But then I also have to create the cut files in Silhouette for my sticker release. Tuesday, we have to put out garbage for Wednesday's pickup. And then I'll need to print and cut the collections. And then if I have time, film new release. But then I also have to finish filming inks 1 through 5. Then here I will do new release product photos. I'll need to do the product listings. And then I'll edit and upload inks 1 through 5, as well as the new release. And then Thursday is pick up grocery day. But I will also need to film ink haul part 2. And do the new release email. And the digital listings. And I'll have to pack. And then Friday, I'm going to leave that as is. Saturday, leave as is. And then Sunday is the new release, but also we have dinner at my parents' house. I'm going to say 4 o'clock. Father's Day dinner. Perfect. All right, now for the weather. All right, so starting Monday, sunny. Monday and Tuesday are sunny. Wednesday is cloudy. And then Thursday, it's raining. Friday, it's raining. And then in Calgary, what is the weather supposed to be? I think it's supposed to be actually raining both days too. Lovely. Oops, that one didn't go down all the way. That's okay. This stamp is from AliExpress. You can just search for, what did I say? It's the Cow Kodomo weather stamp. And then the actual temperature for each day. So this is like my happy place in terms of temperature. A high of 22 Celsius with a low of 13. So nice light spring temperatures, low summer temps basically. 21, 9. For me, anything warmer than 27, I start to be a little bit uncomfortable. And then Friday, the high of 18. But yeah, we always need the rain. Our province is known for its forest fires throughout the summer, or the wildfires, and the rain certainly helps with keeping those at bay. All right, so that is it. I decided, I think maybe last week or the week before, that I would use this as my planner pen. So this will always be inked with Pilot Iroshizuku Takesumi. It's nice for me to have just a black fountain pen, especially with such a fine nib, and then doing my habit trackers and my schedule in the nice colored ink, but then leaving my nice fountain pens and the nicer ink or the colored inks in my journal, as well as the Zentangles and stuff. So anyway, all right, so that is it for me. I really feel like I need to add, are there any other stickers? There's these ones, but I feel like they're good. I feel like the spread is good. I don't need a lot to add to it. I like the functional minimalist look. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a great day.